Welcome to the Bot Shots. My name is Anuya,
I'm Vivek.
and today we're talking about
How to read crime fiction.
You know, Vivek, I think of crime fiction as the gateway drug to reading. Basically, kitabi marijuana.
So, most of us just grow up reading crime fiction. Unless if you read Chetan Bhagat, which is a crime in itself.
Now, Vivek, we don't judge people on books on Don't Read Salman Rushdie Toast.
Okay, let's just talk about crime fiction now.
Let's do it.
So the first crime fiction that I was introduced to was Famous Five, Secret Seven.
And my introduction to voracious reading was also crime fiction. I mean, I started reading Nancy Drew and Hardy Boys when I was in school, and that was that.
Yeah, and then there was Earl Stanley Gardner with the Perry Mason case files. And I remember staying up all night reading back-to-back Perry Masons.
The one that I read was called Not a Penny Less and Not a Penny More. And it was stupendous. I loved that book. It's about a bunch of people who get conned by this man and they set out to get the exact same amount of money back from him, including the costs involved in conning him back. It is genius. I love that book. Not a Penny More, Not a Penny Less by Jeffrey Archer.
And you know what I read as a teenager? A lot of Agatha Christie's. I loved her mysteries and crime and
Christie's Mysteries?
Christie's Mysteries, yes. And the setting, where she had Poirot and Miss Marple and all these detectives who were so unassuming.
Recommend one?
So I would say, And Then There Were None.
The first Agatha Christie that you should read?
Yes, it's
Okay.
brilliant. And it doesn't have any detective, but
Okay.
do read it.
Okay, great. Hey Vivek, hashtag OMG Facts for you. Did you know that Edgar Allan Poe's The Murders in the Rue Morgue is the first ever English language detective story?
Oh no, wow, thanks.
You're welcome, Vivek, you're welcome.
Yes, please.
Truman Capote's In Cold Blood, which I think is one of the best books ever written. Like, it's one of my favorites. Like, it's one of those changed my life. It is about a murder that actually happened, and he researched it along with his best friend Harper Lee, and tracked the murderer right down to his eventual fate. So, which you find out. But it's beautifully written, and you will not believe that it is, 60, 70 years old now. It feels like it was written yesterday. It's amazing.
While we're talking about all these international authors, I would like to make two Indian recommendations. So, one is Byomkesh Bakshi, which was also a television series, but I think you must read the short stories because they are brilliant. And I think they bring about the Calcutta and crime setting beautifully in the short stories. Second is again set in Calcutta, which is The Mysteries of Feluda, written by Satyajit Ray.
But what mysteries are there in Feluda? First you put ice cream, then you put that sevia, then you put that...
Anuya. All right, we're talking about crime fiction.
Cool.
Yeah, so these are the two recommendations I'd like to make.
I'd like to end this with two contemporary crime authors.
Sure.
My first recommendation actually is pretty popular. The Girl with the Dragon Tattoo trilogy. The first one is Dragon Tattoo, the second one is Played
Girl
with Fire,
Played Fire, yeah.
and the third one is Who Kicked the Hornet's Nest. ये घर पे क्यों नहीं बैठती है लड़की चुपचाप, मुझे समझ में नहीं आता. But written by Stieg Larsson, brilliant trilogy, and in terms of character study, I think she's one of the most compelling, interesting, strange women I've ever read about. So definitely Girl with the Dragon Tattoo. Don't watch the movies, just read the book.
Okay, the other book that I want to recommend is The Snowman by Joe Nesbo, which follows this detective called Harry Hole and how he solves a murder in Scandinavia.
And that's it.
That's it, yeah.
Thank you everyone for watching.
So go ahead and read crime fiction.
Yeah. And if you read the books that we've recommended and you have thoughts on them, leave them in the comments, and also
Share, like, subscribe.
click on the subscribe button, which will be on Vivek's face.